What's up, good people? Thank you so much for tuning in today. So, I went to the grocery store and I got the last few bags of soil, and I thought it was like such a beautiful day today. And I honestly did not plan to do all this gardening today, but one thing led to another, and I'm glad I did because gardening can be very therapeutic. And then, you get a little bit of fruits and veggies and flowers, so it's like a win-win situation. So I'm just gonna start off and just fill all of my empty pots up with soil. And it was at this moment that I bust the whole pot open. Yeah. Yep. Just walk away. Yep, you did that. Just walk away. But thankfully, I had another one, so I'm going to use that to repot this bird of paradise plant. I have one inside and one outside, so I'm just going to break up the roots, break up the soil a bit, and repot it. And I'm not going to put too much soil in the pot because bird of paradise plants like to be pot bound, so I'm just gonna kind of just add a few more inches of soil than what it normally had. Okay, so I've been propagating this pineapple, or whatever you call it. I think it's called propagating. But I've been letting this sit in this water for about a week, and we got some stems growing. And I'm hoping to have a pineapple plant. And then, of course, green onion, you can just stick it in water. Honestly, you could stick it right in the soil. I've done that before, and it'll start growing some new green onion for you. So that's what I'm gonna do today, is just transplant this from the water to the soil. And so I already have a pineapple that I've put in the soil, so this will be the second one that I'm doing, and you're going to want to water it really well once you plant it, and eventually the old pineapple leaves should basically fall off, disintegrate, and you should get new pineapple leaves to start sprouting from the middle. And with the green onion, I'm just going ahead and just making little holes in a pot and just planting it directly in the soil. And then I'm going to go in and just cut like basically most the green onion off because it's gonna grow like nice new stems of fresh green onion. I got this tulip plant for Easter from my mother-in-law, and so I wanted it to look really pretty in the house. So I'm just replanting it or repotting it into like a nicer pot. I have these little baby okra seedlings and I'm ready to go ahead and pot them. I'm doing 3 of them to a pot. Normally 2 to 3 is good. 1 is better, but we're working with a very small space, so I try to put as much as I can into 1 pot. I'm also doing bell peppers, so I'm going to be planting 2 seeds per pot. And then I'm going to do a cucumber plant. And I already have a cucumber plant, so this will be my second one, and I'm planting 2 seeds in the pot. Then in this last big pot, I'm planting 3 Sugar Daddy snap pea seeds. And I did stick a fork in it because I ran out of those markers. So just a tip, you can use like a plastic fork or spoon and label your garden plants. And lastly, you're going to want to give everything that we planted today a nice soak, and that will be it. Again, thank y'all so much for tuning in today. I hope you guys enjoyed gardening with me. It was super relaxing. Again, I will be posting every day this month, so don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will see y'all next time. Y'all, don't be like me. Make sure that you wear your gloves.